Ino ni ngucanio ikoretwo kuo kwa ihinda iraya gatagati ka mutumia wake wa Kibowen Komen niwe Sote Komen na mwari wa mutumia ungi Grace Samson Komen na muthenya wa ira gicanjama gikeyumiria thutha wa maabitha borithi gwikinya mugunda uyu niguo kuhingia watho wa igoti Kuirikanite Sote Komen agiriirwo ni kuneo eka 150 hamwe na taito ya mugunda ucio.
My client has faced a lot of resistance from one beneficiary called Grace Samson, who was given 450 acres, but the said beneficiary has sworn to make it impossible to have my client Sote Komen acquire her 150 acres.
No ona kuri oro uguo andu a family no matongoretio ni Grace Samson Komen na uria ni mwari wa Komen magithi igoti-ini kugiria watho ucio hingio no ende igoti rigiteaniria cira ucio. Na muthenya wa ira wakiri wa Sote Komen wa iganja wa mwangi arekinya mugunda-ini uyu no ende maundu maragaruruka thutha wa nyanake iria irethetwo kugiria wira wa kuhanda uthie na mbere guku.
I would only appeal for the said Grace Samson, if she's dissatisfied with the orders that the judges made, she should appeal against those orders. She cannot choose which orders to obey and which orders not to obey.
Na kiaria na ndekia mohoro wa iganja ugite ati Sote Komen ni agiretio kuoya mugunda wake ona thengia wa igoti kumwitikiria akiuga ati Grace Samson Komen ena mubango wa kwaga gutia watho wa igoti.
This land is lawfully owned by my client. My client's son is the administrator of the estate of Kibowen Komen, and he should be allowed to carry out his duties as an administrator without interference from anyone whatsoever.
Mutigairi Kibowen Komen ni umwe wa ambunge aria mari igweta muno hindi ya wathani wa mutigairi Daniel Moi na utonga wake utamburukite kundu gutiganite makiria tauni-ini ya Naikuru mwena wa Njoro na Rongai gatagati ga kundu kungi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Wambui.